Hi guys, Szenan from Szenan-Balance, the acupuncturist. Today I'm going to show you what I eat for my lunch, made by my mom. Let's have a look. We have green, capsicum, red, beans. We have fried spiced tofu, pretty yummy one, and we have carrot, and with rice. And you see the rice color. It's not completely white. It's actually a bit of black color in here because we have black bean over here. Then I have soup. Okay, here you go. This is soup with a lot of veggie in it as well. So yeah, so this is my lunch. Okay, I'm gonna share with you. I've been a vegan. It's so healthy, and I eat it every day like this. And as you can see, can you please, if you like to share your lunch or meal with me, I'll be so happy to see what you eat. Thank you. Stay awesome. Bye bye.